Firstly, the traditional method. This involves preparing the soil by removing any rocks or debris, then digging a hole about half an inch deep. Place the turnip seed in the hole, cover it with soil, and water it generously. Secondly, consider the hill method. With this approach, create small mounds or hills in your garden, spacing them about 6 inches apart. Plant 2 or 3 turnip seeds in the top of each hill, then water the hills thoroughly. The third technique is the square foot method. This method is perfect for those with limited garden space. Divide your garden into square foot sections and plant 1 to 2 turnip seeds in each section. Next, the raised bed method. Construct a raised bed. Fill it with good quality soil and compost. Plant your turnip seeds about 4 inches apart, ensuring each seed is about half an inch deep. Fifthly, the container gardening method. Choose a container that's at least 8 inches deep. Fill it with a mix of potting soil and compost and plant your turnip seeds about 4 inches apart. Moving on to the sixth method, the hydroponics method. This method involves growing turnips in a nutrient-rich water solution rather than soil. Plant your turnip seeds in a growing medium like rock wool, then place them in your hydroponic system. Seventh, the biodegradable pot method. Start your turnip seeds in small biodegradable pots filled with soil. Once the seedlings are established, plant the whole pot in your garden. The pot will decompose and enrich the soil. Next up, the eighth method, succession planting. Plant a few turnip seeds every 2 weeks. This way, you'll have a continuous harvest of turnips throughout the growing season. Our ninth method is the companion planting method. Plant your turnip seeds near vegetables like peas or beans. These plants will enrich the soil with nitrogen, which turnips love. Finally, the 10th method, the vertical gardening method. Grow your turnips in a vertical garden or tower. Plant the seeds in the pockets of the tower, making sure they're about half an inch deep. To summarize, the 10 methods we've discussed today are the traditional method, the hill method, the square foot method, the raised bed method, the container gardening method, the hydroponics method, the biodegradable pot method, succession planting, companion planting, and the vertical gardening method. Each of these methods has its own advantages and can be tailored to your garden and your gardening style. So go ahead and try out these methods and see which one works best for you. Happy gardening!